I've found this new ring that we've been using in the newer ads. So
and you've got a TIFF version.
TIFF version. So I'm going to open up this TIFF version
in Photoshop.
In Photoshop.
Okay.
This is the size that it's come as, and the image. Cancel that. Image size is 35 centimeters by 35 at 300 DPI. Now that's way too big for web. You don't need that size.
Okay.
So what I've done is I've built you a template. This is the exact size that you want all your images.
And that template's there always for me.
This template, I've called it the Charles Rose Web Image Master, and these blue guides show where this ring sits within that.
So are we in Photoshop now?
We're in Photoshop, yeah. So I'm going to show you how to create an image ready to upload onto the website.
Well, I don't have that template in my Photoshop.
But I'm going to give you this Photoshop file today to take away.
And then I need to save everything into that template. Well, okay, well, let's just do it. Okay.
Yeah, just so you're not getting rings in at different sizes, you want to have a uniform
Understand,
size.
yep. What is the size, though?
This size is
because
here,
I mean,
it's written down here, and it's height 454.
Okay, well, because I can create that size on Photoshop.
Yeah.
I know how to do that. I just open a new document with those dimensions.
Yeah, and then you resize the ring accordingly.
And I resize it. Well, that's right. So let's imagine I've got that already as a blank, which I would have. Now, if I drag that in there, it won't fit, correct?
Yeah, it should be way too big.
Have you cut and... What have you just done then?
Just copied it from the other file. Or you could just drag it in. I mean, if this is open as a separate...
you can drag it straight into...
Drag that on top of it.
Yeah, on top of it. So then
And
you've
you
got
can't
two
see it
open...
now
You can't see because it's going to be in front of it.
Because it's huge, I'd say. There it is. That's why you can't see it. So I'm just zooming out, just so I've got a bigger count. There it is. And then you just resize the ring.
Okay. Do you know what? I don't know how to resize to fit like that. How do you do that? You put the two documents on the one Photoshop desktop, so to speak.
I'll give you this master file, this master web image file, and you can get any ring image that you've got. And
if I drag it onto
it,
and I'll see it as a separate. I'll see it as another. Well, hang on. Where is it?
That's a small one.
Yeah, that's a bit small.
This one.
Yeah. So you're dragging it from a Photoshop window, are you?
Yep, into another Photoshop.
Into another Photoshop window.
Yep.
And it hasn't loaded yet.
It has, and it's just so big. So Command T.
Yes. Command T.
Command T. Will
brings up the
transform.
Now it's within that framework there, is it?
Yep, it's in there.
It's in there. It's just in the middle.
Big, so you've just got to bring it down in size.
I see. You're holding down the shift while you drag the mouse,
to keep
are you?
the proportions, yeah.
I see. So I've got to do shift drag drag to the corners.
That's right.
And eventually I get it in there.
And eventually,
okay. And then yeah. Now you've made it quite a lot smaller than the window.
Smaller than the window, so it sits within. If I just go to the website, go across the website, and we'll look at the rings. You'll notice when I pull this away, it sits within that. So these guides are within that.
Yeah, I see.
That dimension.
Well, I don't know how you open that website window, but anyway. So anyway, we're still in Photoshop in any event.
Still in Photoshop.
Let's just stay there.
Yep.
Okay. So you put it where you want it, and then what do? You save it as.
And now I've just opened up my image size dialog box, which you can access by going image up the top, image size.
Yes. And that shows you the size of which image, the box or the image within the box?
The entire canvas.
Okay.
And it shows our width to be...
but that's the same as what you've already...
Exactly
that's exactly the same as that, isn't it?
Yep, and all your images...
That says width 5... Oh, okay. 588. Yeah, okay.
By 454. And it's 72 DPI. And all the images that you upload will be this size, and all the rings will sit within that dimension. Then we hit OK. And now we save this. You'll notice it's a Photoshop file. We save it as a JPEG, GIF, or PNG. And I recommend JPEG.
Okay.
Always save as a JPEG. Save as JPEG.
And just put it somewhere where you can find it?
Exactly. I'll just put it on our desktop and I'll create a folder called CR.
Well, whatever. I'll put it where I want to.
Yep.
Okay.
And we'll call it CR Ring 1.
You're putting it where you can find it. Okay.
Yep.
Next.
Save.
Now you've got to upload it. Yeah.
To upload the ring, we go to...
Now, what are you on? Which program are you running? Just the browser?
This is Safari. So this is
any browser. Safari with Index /index. Is that it?
This is just your regular website index. That's your regular website, and I'll also simultaneously got open the editor just so I can track back between one or the other, just to see it as it updates. But
so you're running all of this is being run from the browser in any event.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all online. You don't have to open any other software.
I see. So you use the browser to access the CMS. Okay. Yep. All right.
So we're in the Charles Rose editor, and now we want to add a new ring. So we go to Collection, under Pages, Page List,
under Pages, yes.
Collection, click on Collection, and we want to add a new ring to the collection. So we go, this button here will duplicate the page, and we'll create a copy of that page, and we're going to give it a title. And I think they all had names like Ring 12, Ring 15, whatever it is. So we're saying this was Ring 1 that we've saved it as.
Okay.
And the content, I think that just gets left blank because I'm just toggling back in between.
Yeah, understand.
The collection, and there's no copy to go with it.
Yeah.
Is there? So and then we go here. Where are we? Add page, save and publish, Ring 1, Pages. So now under Collection, we've got this new page called Ring 1. Now,
so how did you do that? You went to, anyway,
to create a new page, we went to Pages, Collection, and we duplicated one of the other pages there.
Why did you duplicate one of the other pages? Because it was the right format.
Exactly, it's the right template. So we just duplicated a page that was already there.
But then that's duplicating it with the old image that we don't want.
That's right, yeah.
But then you call up that image.
Yeah,
well, you call up that page.
Call up that page to edit the image.
So what do you click? Yeah.
And I'm just... Here's the ring down here.
Yeah, that's the duplicate page.
This is the duplicate page of Ring 12. And now we want to change this image to be the Ring 1, which we've just created. So you go down here.
Hang on, just a sec. Yeah.
Click Choose File.
Yeah.
And that will prompt this box to come up. And then we know where we've saved it. You've created a folder called Web.
So you want to choose the image that we created.
Exactly.
So you go to wherever that is.
I go to Charles
In
Rose.
your case, it's there.
And Ring 1.
Yeah, okay.
And I choose that ring.
Okay. And where is it now?
Now I hit Upload.
Yeah.
After I've found the ring, Upload. Click.
Okay.
Now there's still no changes being made yet. I need to...
Close that connect file for me. I need to make some changes.
Yeah, sure.
You go.
Now before before the change is actually made, you get to review it all.
Yes.
And then to make the change final, you click Save and Publish, which is above the ring. Click that. I'm just going to quickly close that for Susan. So we've saved and published, and now we want to go back to the website.
Sorry, go back. You went back.
I'm just toggling back to
the website in the browser. Yes.
And I'm going to refresh, and there it is.
And that's taken the place of the other ring. The ring, is that right? Or
no,
you've added,
no,
it's an additional
I've
item.
added that because I've duplicated the page.
Okay. I see. So we can add. Okay.
And there's the
and
one
there's
that I
the first one.
Yep.
Okay.
And you can add as many pages as you want. You can have
Okay.
60 rings on there, as many as you wanted.